Okay, so HTML format unformatted. List of tags, comma separated, that should not be reformatted. Null defaults to all tags listed at this URL. So to show you how this works, it's actually easier by changing the HTML format wrap attributes from auto to force align. And this will just force the attributes of a particular tag to be aligned. So let me show you what this looks like. Let's save this, look at the body tag, and look at its attributes. Now they are force aligned. Okay, so this setting, you can add a list of tags here, comma separated, and it's not going to format the tag's content nor the tag itself, right? So if we add body here and we save it, we know that the contents body is not going to be formatted. So if you change stuff here, so change the indentation, change how the attributes are aligned. I'm saving it, nothing's happening because this is not being formatted. But also, if you change the attributes, the tag itself is not going to be formatted. And there's a small difference between this setting, HTML format unformatted, and this one, HTML format content unformatted. And the difference being, this setting stops formatting the tag itself and its content, has this setting only stops the content from being unformatted, but the tag itself is formatted. Okay, so if we remove body, the tag will be formatted as expected, and if we change this to auto, everything's back to normal. Alright, I hope that was clear. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Thanks.